What's up, brothers? Just wanted to give you a quick video. I finally hooked up the remote that I ordered off of eBay for the Teac A-6600. So a little demo here. Little forward play. It also does reverse. So I finally got it. It works fine. So I recommend it. Top dog. Finally got it running. Big Matt, thank you for your help getting me set up, fixing the A6600. Also, I had to take it to Audiotronics in Melbourne. They finished working on it for me with the speed. There's the Sansui. There's the Crown. There's the Revox that Brother France redid for me. And then there's the Sony that Big Matt was working on for me. That one's working fine. Big Matt, I finally got the amp part working. I took it to Audiotronics and they fixed it. So the amp works now. So that's it. A6600 Teac remote. Alrighty. We'll do another video soon. Hope all is well.